Newest attraction in SM Clark, Skyline. Meet, eat, and play here at the newest elevated and outdoor park located at the back of SM Clark, where every day is full of fun and the excitement here is sky's the limit. This place is perfect if you want to get some fresh air, or if you want to take a peaceful stroll. It's also a balance of concrete jungle and central garden because you're surrounded with different buildings and plants. This also connects the recently launched SMX Convention Center, Park Inn by Radisson Hotel, National University, and the 3-level parking for the convenience of everyone. Whether you want to go for a walk, run, play, eat, picnic, romantic date, exercise, enjoying the view, shopping, Skyline SM City Clark is sure to please. The Skyline is located at the back of SM Clark, Angeles City. There's no entrance fee and it's open every day for people to enjoy and visit. Art in the Sky, exhibit of visual arts of Kapampangan artists. This is what it looks like at night.